sure my razor knife's still in there.
Okay, if it was in there, it's still in there.
Should have been with my water.
Roger. What we have that's red.
Alright, well, what it looks like, it's just like a coax. There's no markings on this small one.
Okay, yeah, on that small one. Okay, you see the other three cables that are up there that are tied off or taped up? The ends are sealed, there's nothing on them?
Well, it's got red paint on it. I don't know if that's from the tower or what.
Okay, because all those cables, those LMR 400, which is big as your finger, every one of those should have two colors on them with tape, I do believe.
All right, give me a minute. I'll go back up here and see if I can see what's on this one up here.
Okay, because down here I got a red and an orange. That's the only thing I got is red and orange. But don't worry about the paint. The paint's in material.